All around the world, death by drug overdose has been steadily on the rise, with more than 585,000 deaths in 2017, with 66% of all deaths attributed to the most dangerous family of drugs, opioids. Opioids are brain-altering chemicals synthesized from the opium poppy plant. These drugs include heroin, morphine, codeine, and many more. Opioids affect our body in many ways, producing pain-relieving effects that can help a person going through a lot of pain. For example, a cancer patient. However, misuse of opioid can have other effects such as euphoria, sedation, and drowsiness, which leads to addiction and, in the worst case, death. As previously mentioned, opioids block the pain receptors in our brain, causing pain relief. However, they also block other receptors, such as the ones that limit dopamine, fight or flight receptors, but the most dangerous one is our receptors that signal us to breathe. In an opioid overdose, the receptor that is responsible for making our body breathe is blocked, which means that we can stop breathing and actually die. This has unfortunately been the death of many. However, this can be prevented with naloxone hydrochloride. Naloxone hydrochloride is a chemical very similar to opium in its molecular structure. Since it is very similar to opium, it can bind with receptors in our brain, kicking the opioids out and reactivating the receptors so the person would start breathing again, and their life would be saved. Naloxone hydrochloride has saved the lives of countless, and even though the drug and opioid crisis are still going strong, naloxone helps our war against drugs and making people live a healthier and happier life. Although the ideal solution would be to have naloxone sold in every drugstore, this still hasn't been possible. But with having raised awareness, we now know better and have more perspective about the opioid epidemic, which is more than enough.